Konnichiwa Mina San, her sensei desu. Hello everyone, her sensei here. So today I'm going to teach you about how to write katakana, ka, ki, ku, ke and ko. So let's get started with the video. So for the ka, you have to draw a line and then drop the line downwards and then draw a slanting line like this. This is ka. So for ki, you just have to draw two lines like this and then cut them through in between. This becomes ki. For ku, you just have to draw a slant curve line and then draw a sleeping line and then drop it down. For k, just have to draw a slight curve line, then a sleeping line, and without joining the end slide before that, draw a drop line. This becomes k. For ko, you have to draw a sleeping line followed by a drop down and then draw a sleeping line again, just as shown above. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you guys have understood how to write katakana, ka, ki, ku, ke, and ko. And also, you can follow me on Instagram. The link is down in the description. And also, you can check out my website where you can find the content regarding hiragana, katakana, and kanji. The link will be also in the description. Thank you.